de 30 minutos en República Dominicana. Vamos a ver qué ha aprendido FX Alex.
¿Qué es lo que hay, manito? Aquí no cogemos ese. Si te pasa, tu galleta. Alright, so day one in DR, where we're going to be giving away 21 laptops with Rocket 21. We partnered up with them. We're going to be giving away laptops and challenges. Along with that, I'm going to be talking about how to trade during the holidays. Let's be honest, during the holidays, markets are slow. A lot of traders tend to fail around this time, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to properly trade. And then there's this guy named Stephan or Graham, whatever. He's supposed to be a financial god. So he did a review on the day in the life of my video, and we're gonna be getting my live reaction on it. So stay tuned. We got the Scavenger Hunt. We're gonna be giving away laptops, Rocket 21 challenges, education, and this man. We're here in DR right now. We're gonna be giving away 21 challenges, and at the same time, we're gonna be giving away 21 laptops. We hid little Christmas balls around the whole entire park. The first people to find it are gonna get their challenges, and they're gonna be getting their brand new laptops that we hid across the park. So let's start it. Bro, that did not go as planned at all.
What the f, bro? What the f? Yes, sir. Yes. So many people, bro.
So a big shout out to the community over the NDR. They had me as a special host here in this class where I talked a little bit about my trading approach, psychology, and obviously this was in Spanish, so it was a super dope experience. Hopped on a little podcast here with the team, but being part of this huge community in Latin America shows me that I genuinely love giving back and being close with the community, and exactly what we did here in DR, which not only do a meet and greet, but just get to know the community. There's something I want to do with countries all around the world. So make sure to drop a comment on what country I should do next. Long weekend.
You can't swim?
Vamos a ver cuánto tiempo duro debajo del agua. Mi bro, ya te va, pero ¿cómo la pasaste?
La pasé rulada y los vemos para la próxima, que lo que es.
Se fueron los gringos, pero se quedaron los tigers.
So DR was super lit. Shout out to everybody there again for all the love and all the support that we got from there. But let's get back to trading. Can I trade in the holidays? How could I trade in Christmas? All right, I'm gonna break it down in this chart. Very simple. Make sure you pay attention because I'm dropping gems I've never dropped before. So this right here is essentially the calendar, right? We understand that the market moves in 4 quarters. There's 3 quarters in each month, as we know. And the market moves with good volume, slow volume, or ranging market. So for me, always based off of my 4 years of experience, the first 3 months of the year, which is January, February, March, are the good volume markets. After that, it kind of gets a little bit ranging. Again, to my experience, market gets a little bit slow. And then this last is slow volume, which is the month after that. After that, we get back into some good volume, which is pretty much kind of November, October, and September, which are good volume months. And then December is a ranging month due to the holidays. So now, let's say you still want to trade on those months. There is a risk approach you should have. So when you are in a good volume, again, good volume are these checks, I risk anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5% risk. When you're in a slow market, you should risk anywhere from 1% to about 1.5. And then if you're in a ranging market, you should risk 0.5 to 1%. So if you're in a ranging market, why are you even taking big trades in the first place? And if you are taking trades, take them with low risk so you control your psychology. You make sure you stay on your A game, so when we come back into high volume markets, you got your capital ready to go crazy in this. But let's say you still want to take high risk trades in the ranging markets just simply because you want to feel involved, whatever the case, which is already wrong. You can still, yes, can I still trade when low volume markets? Yes, big yes. You just need to have a trading plan. So my trading plan consists of every single one of these points, and every single one of these points has a percentage towards your grade. You notice the first confluence can be anywhere from 10% to 30% towards your grade. Everything else after that can be a max of 10%. And if we were to add all of these things together, it would give us a total of 100%, making the trade we would take an A+ setup, which has a very high probability of going in your favor versus not. So let's say you were to take a trade and it doesn't have, let's say, this confluence or this confluence or this one, it's no longer going to be 100% trade. Now it's going to be around a 70% trade, making it a C. So now you have to determine and ask yourself, is it worth for me to take it with a 0.5%, 1.5%, or 2.5? Ideally, what we teach in Swing Trading Lab, set and forget, is your ideal setup would be a B+, which is 80% and up. So when going to go trade the holidays, make sure you take all of this into consideration. Let's go.
All right, so we're about to get a live reaction on this guy's reaction video, on my video, but I don't know how to say his name. Stephan, so
Stephan
is his name. So we're gonna start.
Show. So we gotta watch this video, okay? I love watching these videos of the day in the life of millionaires and multimillionaires and decamillionaires, but you know what? Who has the best life is none other than the Forex millionaires. The people who trade currencies, and I still don't know how they make money. But with that said,
well, if you know, he's a financial advisor, you're a financial advisor, you should know how we make money in Forex, but
we gotta watch this video here. It actually looks really interesting. It's titled A Day in the Life of a Miami Forex Millionaire Trader by FX Alex G. FX Alex G.
Yes, that is my name.
Fixalex G. Of course there's Supreme. Supreme, Rolex. Whoa, okay, we're missing Louis Vuitton and a Lamborghini. Or a Ferrari. We need one of those.
So now he goes on pointing out that I don't have a shirt for like 2 minutes of the whole entire video, and he's kind of points it out like 10 times. It almost seems like he's never seen anybody without a shirt, and compares me to Liver King, which I find pretty funny. So make sure you guys go check out his video, because if it gets 100,000 likes, he will basically get FX Alex G on the side of his head. So I think that'll be hilarious. It was just a little weird because he said some things that he doesn't know how Forex traders make money, but he's you know, supposedly financial god, financial advisor, the finance guy. So it's a bit weird. He doesn't know exactly how, you know, us day traders make money. So I find it funny. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. At 75K, we have a huge giveaway coming to all of you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, because stay tuned.
100%. Stay tuned to the weekend of the day in the life of a Forex millionaire, whatever. I'm gonna make it specifically for you, so you see exactly how a weekend in my life looks like. So appreciate you guys for watching the video all the way to the end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we're gonna be doing a house tour on my brand new house. I've probably been in here, I'd say like 5, 6, 7 days, so I'm still kind of moving, settling in. So make sure you guys stay tuned. That is going to be the next video, and I'll see you guys there.